Welcome, I'm SD Kelly. So I'm going to be making a magnet board out of this cake pan that I painted white. It's just a regular cake pan from Dollar Tree. I'm taking this decorative rope. I wrapped it around already to see about how long I wanted it, and then I looped it off at the top by wrapping some smaller twine around it. I didn't want to tie it in a knot for this project. So I'm just hot gluing the decorative rope around the cake pan. And I'm going to use the same method to tie off at the end. Instead of tying it in a knot, I'm just going to wrap some twine around it. I'm going to point the twine upward, hot glue it to the rope, and then wrap it around. And you'll notice I also did the ends of the rope the same way. So I'm going to go back and just touch up a couple of areas the same way that I painted this pan in the first place, is I just stippled some white chalk paint all over it. I kind of wanted a multi-dimensional textured look to it. To make the eyes and nose, I just used some Sharpee markers on regular cardboard and some magnetic tape. For the hat, I just wrapped some twine around a piece of cardboard and finished it off with some burlap ribbon that has snowflakes on it. I got that from the Dollar Tree, actually. And I used a timber block from one of those kids' games from the Dollar Tree. I actually collect a whole bunch of those for different projects. Of course, I put some magnets on the back. Now later, I went back and added a piece of magnetic tape to the bottom of this block just to give it even more support. For the mouth, I just glued a piece of twine onto a piece of cardboard with magnetic tape on the back. What I really like most about this project is a hidden compartment in the back. I call this project multi-seasonal because I plan to transition this cake pan magnet board to different themes throughout the year. You'll just have to subscribe to see what they are. To be quite honest, I don't even know yet, but I'll make it up as I go. I thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye for now.